Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radio in a Dodge Ram 1500. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a panel removal tool, a screwdriver set, and a new aftermarket radio. Don't forget a wiring harness adapter and a dash kit to ensure a perfect fit. Having these items ready makes the installation process much smoother and quicker for you. Now that you have your tools, it's time to remove the old radio. Start by carefully prying off the dash trim panels with your plastic panel tool. Be gentle to avoid any damage. Next, unscrew the mounting bolts or screws holding the factory radio. Once loose, gently pull the old unit out and disconnect all its wiring harnesses from the back. This clears the way for your new system. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Seriously, go darn tough. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You won't regret it. Check the description below for the link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old radio out, let's tackle the wiring for your new unit. Connect the new radio's wiring to the aftermarket harness adapter. It's crucial to match wire colors carefully. Typically, red connects to red and yellow to yellow. This ensures proper power and function. Don't forget to securely connect the antenna adapter to your new head unit for good reception. Take your time here. Almost there. Now, slide your new radio, already attached to its dash kit, into the opening. Secure it firmly with the screws. Once the radio is mounted, carefully reconnect all the dash trim panels, making sure they snap perfectly into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the new radio's functions, including sound, volume, and all its features. Enjoy your upgrade.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.